Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can block apps using App Lock on this smartphone. Begin with opening Devices Settings. After that, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on Security. Now, click on App Lock. Over here, you need to click on the switcher next to Enable App Lock and then create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. After that, select Continue, repeat it in order to confirm it, and tap on OK. Then answer this security question and choose OK in order to continue. If you don't like it, you can always click on it, pick one of those, or even if you don't like any of them, create your own by choosing Custom Question. Now you need to type an N and save it by choosing OK. Remember to answer it correctly below and then click on OK. Now just click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case Calendar. So now when I go back and try to access Calendar, as you can see, pattern is now required. If you wish to unlock your app, you need to go into the same settings and disable App Lock from it by clicking on the switcher next to it. In order to disable App Lock completely, click on the switcher here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!